Good morning, colleagues, from where you are. Good afternoon and good evening. This is Mr. Moses again with another series of arrangement. Today, we are going to strive through what we call quadratic equation. Please subscribe to our channel and you get notified about all what we upload on this channel. Today, we are having quadratic equation of which we need to solve this number, which says quadratic equation is all about solving for x. And for information, this number, remember I told you we are solving Uneb numbers. Now this equation came, this is question 13. It is just question 2 in 2013. That is paper what? And that is paper 1. This is what we are going to solve, and this is all about quadratic equations. Now, to go further on this number, when we are given a number like this, our solution is just to find the value of x. I need you to be there such that we move step by step. Yes. Now, when you are given a number, this number is somehow special. It is having a coefficient around here. There is a bracket of which, before we solve this number or we continue, we need to first open the bracket. Let us move together. Now, these two, it multiplies each of the terms inside the bracket. Now, this one qualifies to be, no, let us first rewrite 2 into x squared plus 4x plus 4. This one is equal to 5 plus x. Now what we continue with this one, we open the brackets. 2 into x. No, this is going to be just 2x squared, 2x squared plus this multiplied 2 times a 4x, it becomes 8x. Are we there? Yes, this is 80x plus a 2 times 4, it becomes 8. Are we there? Now proceed with 5 plus x. Then after opening the brackets, now it is time to bring all the terms on one side, that is the left hand side. Let us bring all these ones this side. Now we remain with 2x squared plus, now this is 8x minus the other x plus the 8 but minus a 5. The other side, now we are having a 0. Then from that point there, we proceed. Here, this is 2x squared plus. Now we are having this one as it is 7x, then plus this 8 minus the other one, I think it is a 3, which is equal to 0. Now we are having a number here. Are you seeing this? When you are having a number, we make sure when we are going to use a method. Now what we are going to use? We are going to use completing what? Yes, we can use completing squares. We can use completing squares here, or we can use also what we call factorization method. Are we there? These are the two methods we can use, or we can use a graphical, but as for now, let us just choose one, or in the next video, I'll be giving you another arrangement where we are having also factorization. Now, we are going to completing squares such that we solve numbers, because now when it comes to numbers which has direct factors, now it becomes very simple for us to use what you call completing square, because this one is a bit universal. Whenever you are using completing square, this one can solve any challenge concerning quadratic with those ones without every number. Even if the number has no direct factors, this completing square will come up with the solution. Now, what the next part is to make the coefficient of x squared to be 1. Here, it's all about dividing this one by 2, by 2, by 2, even here by what? By 2. Now, from that point, we remain with x squared plus 7 all over 2x plus 3 all over 2. This one is equal to 0. Now, from this point also, what we always do, now we are going to have what we call this. This step is very important. The step we are heading after knowing that here the coefficient of x squared is 1. Now, the next step is the very important step. I need you to focus here such that you get the answers. Now, it will be x, then here plus. Now the square, we first leave the square there. Then we'll bring just half of the coefficient of x. To get the half of the coefficient of x is the same as 7 all over 2 times half of this one. But the x is left out, then we square. That one is very important to this number. Then at the same time, for information, when we get a side work here, we can say if it is 7 all over a 2 times a half. Now this one we can say this is 7 all over a 4. We can take 7 over 4 inside here, not so? Yes, let us just write as this is 7 all over 4. This one squared. But again, we subtract a 7 all over 4 again when this one is squared. Now we add a 3 all over 2 and we equate to 0. This step is very important. This step is very important in that even if at all you had a number like it is x squared plus a 4 or a 6x plus a 7 is equal to 0. Are you seeing that one? If it had no coefficient here, what you do, you just, yes, I need you to first focus on this one. Yes, when you look at this one, it is a matter of saying x plus, this one is divided by 2 and you take a 3 over that one, you square, minus a 3 but all of it squared, then plus a 7 is equal to 0. That's how we treat such numbers. Yes. Whenever you come across a number when you are completing square at this, when you observe that the coefficient of x is 1, now the next step will be you take one of the x, then plus half of the coefficient of x here, but all of it is square. Then you subtract this very half inside here. You place it here and you square. Then others remain the same. That one is very, very, very important when we are handling this. Now it is time to expand. It is time to expand this. This comes to be x plus 7 all over 4 squared minus this 7 squared, it becomes it is 49 all over 4 squared, it is 16, then plus 3 all over what? All over 2. We proceed. Now our arrangement, this one is equal to 0. Now our next step is to bring this one the other side such that we leave x plus 7 all over 4 all of it squared on the left hand side. Now we continue like this. This will be x plus 7 all over 4 squared. Are you seeing that one? This one is equal. Now this one, when it crosses, it becomes positive. Not so. It becomes 49 all over 16. Then this one is positive. It comes to be negative 3 out of a2. Are you seeing that one? Now we first complete this. Those with the calculators, you can at least assist us and press it clearly. Now, but for those without calculators, let us do it manually. This one comes to be, let us first have a side work around here. Say, this one, it is this time was this, it will be 98. Are you seeing that one? This time was this one, it is 18. Then one that is 48. All over this time that is 30. 32. Are you seeing that one? Then from this one we say 98 minus 48. Yes, you place your calculators around there. This what are we going to do? This one I think it will be something like 50, but all over 30 what? 32. Not so. It will be 50 all over 32. When we cross this one, it will be 25. This one, it will be a 60, a 16. This is by 2 and also by 2. Now, the whole of this expression will be the same as 25 out of 16. Are you seeing that one? Yes, we proceed. Now, we have observed that when you use a calculator here, after subtracting, you will be left with something like this. This is x plus 7 all over 4, all of it squared, then is equal to 25, but all over 16. When you complete this one, it will give us that. Then from that point, it's time to remove the square. This one comes to x plus 7 all over 4, all of it. Remember it had a square, you place a square root. The same applies to a 25 all over a 16. Also, there is a square root which is introduced the other side. Altogether, now we remain with x plus 7 all over 4, which is equal. Now from the root we are having to arrangement these numbers. A number can either be a negative or a positive. That's why for square numbers, even if we square this one, the square root of this one and the square root of this one, we get this one will be a 5 all over what? All over 4. Now it is time to obtain the two answers. Either x plus 7 all over 4 is equal to a positive 5 out of 4, isn't it? Now our value here, this one goes the other side. Our x will be equal to 5 all over 4 minus 7 all over 4. Now this one becomes negative. Not so. It is a 5 minus 7. It is our x qualifies to be a minus 2, but all over 4. Are you seeing that one? Now, after observing that one, we proceed and say our value of x qualifies to be a negative 1 all over 2. Are you seeing that one? Yes. After obtaining our value of x, the first one, or our value of x plus 7 all over 4 is equal to minus. Now we had a positive here, but now we have to take the negative 5 all over what? All over a 4. Are you seeing that one? Then also we solve x plus 7 all over 4 is equal to this one, which is negative 5 all over 4. Now this one is going to take the other side. X will be equal to negative 5 all over 4, then minus 7 all over what? All over 4. Are you seeing that one? Now when you add this one qualifies to be a 12. This is equal to minus, but this one, 5 and 7, this one, when you use a calculator, it will be something like 12 out of a 4. Our x qualifies to be a minus what? A minus 3. Now that's the second value for what? For x. Are we together? Now, that is the way how we solve these numbers using completing a square. That's why here we can say, therefore, our value of x is equal to minus a half, or our x is equal to minus what? Minus 3. That is the way how we handle these numbers. Please subscribe to our channel such that by the time we load or we upload another new video, you'll be in a position to answer these questions concerning simultaneous equation. Go in the comment section below and at least try for me any 1 year. For example, there is a number in 2012, that is 2012. Yes, you try for me that simple number in 2012, paper 1. That one, I think it will be a good example on what we are having. That is question what? Question 3. Yes, you do for me that one in the comment section and you provide for us the values of x. They are supposed to be 2 for that question, and those ones without question bank, it will be like it is a something like 2x squared minus 3x minus 20 is equal to 0. I need to meet you in the comment section doing for me that number. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We meet in the next video concerning quadratic equations but using factorization method. Thank you for watching.